Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss cold caused by summer heat and damp. It is caused by the intrusion of heat and damp in summer, as well as the patient's preference for enjoying the cool and eating cold food. Consequently, summer heat and damp is contained by the wind cold, resulting in illness. The symptom is featured by sweating, lingering fever after sweating, dizziness and headache, a sense of oppression in the chest, nausea, yellow and sticky tongue coating, and weak pulse. There will also be such symptoms as cough, sticky sputa, and turbid nasal discharge if lungs are intruded by the summer heat and damp. Cold caused by summer heat and damp and cold caused by summer heat both result from the intrusion of pathogenic heat. However, the difference of the cause and pathogenesis of these two kinds of illness mainly lies in whether or not there is damp. In Chinese medicine, chiefly resorts to methods of expelling heat and damp to deal with cold caused by summer heat and damp. If the patient suffers from fever due to the combination of the cold and germs or virus infection, medical treatment should be applied as the case may be under the guidance of the doctor when the scraping therapy goes on. Let's explore here in the figure. The first is the Ziyu point or the triple warmer sticks in a cavity about 3 above the back of the wrist between the two bones of the forearm. Next is the head area or the Danjiang point or the CV17 directly in the middle of the chest between the nipples. Next is the Zhong point, Zone 1 point, CV12 on the upper abdomen, fourth zone above the center of the navel on the anterior midline. And then the Kongzhu point or the lung 6 about 7 zone above the wrist crease with the palm turned upward. So the recommended procedures are first the Dangzong point or the Zone 1 point. We use the single angle scraping to scrape the Dangjong point on the chest from up to down and the Zhong 1 point on the abdomen. Next is the Kongzhu point or Zigzhu point and Hegyu point. We use the surface scraping to scrape the Kongzhu point on the inside of the upper limb, the Zigyu point on the outside of the forearm, and the Hegyu point from up to down. The therapies to increase the curative effect. The following method of scraping can be applied to any kind of the cold. First, we use the sharp edge scraping to scrape the mid-frontal belt and the first lateral frontal belt. Next is use the surface scraping and dual angle scraping to scrape the corresponding area of head on the spine and the corresponding area of the lungs on the spine. And then next is use the single angle scraping to scrape the projection area of throat in front of the neck from up to down and the projection area of Wisand and at the center of the frontal chest. The mid-frontal belt on the head is the corresponding area of the head, including the throat, while the first lateral frontal belt is the corresponding area of the heart and the lungs. Scraping projection areas of the throat and the Wisand is conducive to curing sore throat. Thank you for your attention.